helps remove germs from baby clothes. This laundry wash is designed to clean baby clothes while helping remove germs and odor. The formula claims germ protection based on lab studies, which gives parents extra confidence that clothes are hygienic after washing. Made with plant-based cleansing ingredients, the formula includes naturally derived ingredients like neem, rosemary, and soap nut that have natural antimicrobial and cleansing properties. These ingredients help clean clothes without relying heavily on harsh chemicals. Free from harsh chemicals, it is formulated without sulfates, phosphates, synthetic colors, bleach, and phthalates. Because of this, it is considered gentler for fabrics that come in contact with a baby's delicate skin. Removes tough stains and odor. Baby clothes often get milk stains, food spills, and diaper leaks. This wash is designed to remove tough stains and bad odor effectively, keeping clothes clean and fresh after washing. Works for both hand wash and machine wash. Parents can use it in a bucket wash or washing machine. This flexibility makes it convenient for everyday baby laundry like clothes, towels, bibs, and bedding. May struggle with very heavy stains. While it works well for regular baby stains, very tough stains like dried food or oil may require pretreatment or multiple washes. Slight herbal smell may not suit everyone. Because of herbal ingredients like neem and rosemary, the fragrance is mild but herbal. Some parents prefer a completely fragrance-free laundry wash. Slightly higher cost than regular detergents. Compared with normal laundry detergents, baby-specific laundry washes are usually more expensive, especially if used frequently.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.